Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to edit part of shape in Photoshop. Let's get started. Example, I step 1, create a layer mask, press Ctrl I, inside or outside, and step press Ctrl I. Step click eraser tool, right click, use without hardness and with hardness. Hold shift for straight line and do not hold shift custom line. And the last way, click the pen tool, select pen tool, path, hold Alt, OK, and do not rasterize. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.